Assalamu alaikum, this is Furqan from Interns.pk batch 17. I am a computer science student in Bahrain University. Currently in 6th semester, I have created this website using WordPress and some of the plugins. And currently this website called as Chashma Wala Ab To Lena Hai contains 5 pages. In menu bar you can see that, and a cart option. Here is our home page when you visit this site, and the first opening page will be this Chashma Wala home page. So here we go, visit our site. Here are some features. In our main bar there is a button called shop now, which directly take you to the shop, and the other options about the features of the using Chashma Wala, that you will be delivered your product free of cost at your doorstep, 100% money back guaranteed if you don't like or don't suit your likes. And here is our feature products, in which we are showing on sale product, and our this is on sale, this is on sale, how much you are saving when you are buying this product. Means it is for 4500, now it is only for 4200 rupees only. Sunglasses, normal eyeglasses, spectacles, everything is available on Chashma Wala. Here is our customer help, that if you need any kind of guidance help, we are available. And here are our testimonials, our satisfied customers, Aman Khalid, Muhammad Hasib. And if you are interested, you can still go and shop from here. You don't need to go back up for the store. It is our footer, in which we have a logo of our site and our further links on social media and quick links about this websites and important links. So here we go, let's visit our next page called store. And in store we have again featured glasses, our all glasses collection. Right now we are having few of them in here. And next, again our help needed and a footer is present there. If you want to know about us, means Chashma Wala company, about Chashma Wala, let's wait. And this is our the main mm, header for this, means heading for this. In this there is a partition in which we have a heading about us and what we provide: best quality glasses and sunglasses, our company mission, and our team, the founders of this Chashma Wala. And again, if you want to go to shop, there is a link from here. You can still go to shop from here. And here is our again footer present. Next is contact us. If you have any kind of query, you can contact us via uh, for this I have used WP Forms, and in this you just need to put your credentials here, means your email, your name, your subject, and your message, and send message. We will respond back to you as soon as possible. This is live location from where we are operating in. And here is our footer and contact us page. And now this is the account page. If you're logging in, then it will be showing it here about your dashboard. Or then from let's log in and see what it will show. uh, um, Login now. Here it is showing our dashboard now, our orders, our address, contact details, and again giving the option if you want to log out. This is the dashboard currently we are in. So if you want to know what the orders, let me show you. Here is our orders. One is of 6,000, the other order is of this, and there is a cart in which currently I have two products. I will show you how you can edit. So now it is showing that two products. I want to delete this one, and let's wait a bit. And next one too, because I want to again put them in the coupon. Right now you can apply. So go to the store and buy some goggles. So which one I should buy? I think I like this one. So I just click on it, and it will take me to the product complete description page, 100% original quality, pay on delivery might be available, means cash on delivery. So easy 7 days return and exchange. So add to cart, I like that one. Okay, add to cart, and now it will be added in my cart. So it's giving me option black sunglasses has been added to your cart. View cart if you want to view now, if as you like to, but I thought now I should buy one more product. I like this for my spectacles, so click on it, and it's actually on sale too. So add to cart. Now it will take me to again this page and telling me that sample 102 has been added to your cart. Now I want to check out. I have now I'm out of money, so view cart. So it is showing me my product quantity. It's still, if you want to add in, you can still add. And now this is a total. Proceed to checkout. So now this is showing me already mentioned because I already have 2 orders. So it is showing my information already that I have put in. So I don't need to again fill all the credentials. So cash on delivery, right now we are processing. So place order. Now it will show me and send me an email on my given email in here, furkan223@gmail.com, and guide me about my product, my order. So it is just taking a bit, so let's wait a while. So it can, okay, here is our checkout option. Now it is showing that order number this placed on this date, email, and the total bill, payment method, cash on delivery, and our order details, billing address. Every information is present in here. So this is the front side of our web page. Now I thought so I would like to show you my dashboard. I have, for this website, I have used Astra theme and WooCommerce plugin and Elementor page builder for editing my all the page. This is the due to the WooCommerce plugin. I have shown showing me the statistics, how many orders in processing, means that are placed but not completed as I haven't delivered them. Now orders on hold means I will like orders on hold, number of products out of stock, means if the quantity is less than 2, then I have this product will be showing in here. But right now we are full of stocks. So black glasses, most top selling brand, top selling goggles आ रहा है हमारे top selling goggles. And now here is a WP form that we have used, pages, comments, posts, and here is, so this is our dashboard. In plugins, following are the plugins that I have used using Astra theme, Elementor Pro, Facebook WooCommerce, Google Ads Marketing. This is for the later used ones. And now this is the starter template, themes, WooCommerce. This is all for it, as you can enjoy your site. And thanks for watching. Thanks Inters.pk for giving such an opportunity to learn through practical. Thanks a lot. This is Furkan from Inters Batch 17. Allah Hafiz.